October 27th, 2020, Fluency. Tiffany catches a fish that weighs 12 and 3/10 pounds. Frank catches a fish that weighs 2.5 or 2 and 5/10 times as much as Tiffany's fish. How many pounds does Frank's fish weigh? So if it says it weighs 2.5 times, well, that's going to tell us right then and there that we are going to multiply. All right, when we are multiplying, do we have to line up our decimals? No, we don't. We are going to line it up pushed towards the right. So we're going to line it up to the right. So we're going to have 12 and 3/10 times 2 and 5/10. So I'm going to actually line it up to the right. In this case, the decimals do line up, which will not always be the case. 12 and 3/10, 2 and 5/10. All right, perfect. All right, so let's multiply. I'm actually going to move this all over a little bit. All righty, so we are going to have 5 times 3, which is 15. Remember, we are going to ignore those decimals. 5 times 3 is 15, so I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 3. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So I'm going to carry that 1, drop the other 1. And then we have 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 1, which is going to be 6. Am I done? Nope, we need to multiply this 2 through. But what do we need to do first? Well, first of all, we need to say, okay, we used these remainders, and we also are moving over a place value. So we're done with that 5. So we're moving over a place value, which means we have to put a placeholder of 0. Now we can multiply our 2 through. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is going to be 2. Am I done now? No, what do I need to do? I'm going to move my little Bitmoji over. What do I need to do? Oh yeah, we're going to add these. Add them. There we go. All right, now let's add these. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 0. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. Am I done? 3,075 pounds? No, that's silly. No one can even pick up something that's 3,000 pounds. Well, some people might, but not me. Not the average human. Okay, so Tiffany's fish weighs 12 and 3/10. So when you have 12 and 3/10, then you multiply that by 2 and 5/10, or 2.5. So what do we need to do? Oh yeah, we need to look at those decimals. So if I look at the decimal, how many spaces am I going to move over? All right, so I go in 1, and then I go in another 1, which makes going in 2 times. So in our final answer, we are going to move our decimal over 2 digits, 1 and 2. So here, our decimal is going to go between that 0 and that 7 to make 30 and 75 hundredths. But what actually is that? 30 and 75 hundredths pounds. Woo! So he caught a big fish. And that is it for our answer. Great job!